Welcome once again to our Rockstar VA. Alrighty, hello everyone, and welcome back to, of course, another episode. I think it's our third episode right now for our The Rockstar VA show. And of course, no, as we always had our episodes, we're not episode. In our, every time we do our podcast, we always invite, and hear true to life story of how this industry has been transformative in their very own experience. And I am so much excited for today's video, mga guys. Hello, by the way, good evening to our 6 million viewers sa ato ang, sa ato ang Facebook Live. Kagwapa sa speaker. Mas gwapa ang guest nato karon, Trish. Alrighty, so without further ado, no, I would love to, of course, welcome our very own guest for today. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, she was awarded twice already as a rock star expert or best expert of the year. So that is where we award our very own team in the lead generation expert and really, honor them for their exceptional result. And to be honest, this niche is really like, I would say, muna ang challenging sa tanan na mong gina-offer sa TP ang lead generation because, of course, you will gonna generate business for the clients. Not necessarily business, but leads, and it's more of like result based. But this person that we are going to interview today has really stand out in this niche, and I'm pretty much excited to really learning, from her. And without further ado, let us welcome our speaker for this evening, no other than Ms. Leia Handugan, and soon to be. Ayan, soon to be unsa na ba, Lay? Ayan,
Ah,
welcome.
thank you.
And
Thank you.
congratulations. Congratulations, Lay, for, she's, by the way, bago lang yun na na-engage. Congrats, Lay! Woohoo! Welcome to the club very soon. Ayan. So, of course, Leno, again, thank you so much for saying yes to this. And I know that a lot of our viewers tonight would really gonna learn from your experience. So, dili na nato langay-langay yun pala, no? I would love to probably ask you, first, siguro, is your very own experience with your previous job and what made you decide to shift a career? Q&A day na siya, no?
Ah,
Contestant number one.
chat.
Ay, say hi sa guys, sa to mga viewers. Like, uy, before that.
Hi. Hi guys, especially sa Kang fam. Yeah, very supportive.
Alrighty.
Thank you for
Dagan.
watching. Nalan sila sa
Wow.
baba, pero
Ah,
nagkatanaw sila.
wow. Nasa TV na ko, mga pa.
Salamat.
Sige, sige, Le. So, kada, I wanted to know, because I think it was 6 years ba? Kasi mo previous job. And yeah, what made you shift a career? Grabe na kung ano man dayo na question, but I'm
Lagi niyo
curious.
pangkuan kayo. Wito sa kanang sa 6 years in retail. Actually, kanang mo na siya ang experience na batak yun kayo ko. I mean, kanang sa experience na kanang nag-try ko og convenience store for 2 months. Kay para lang yun maka-experience ko kay, di ba, sa Philippines, pag bago ka mo apply sa medyo dako-dako nga retail, need mo experience sa small na retail store. So,
Mm.
nag-try ko ang convenience for 2 months as cashier, and the rest is sa mall na. And sa 6 years sa mall, best experience lang is kana ganing nakay chance to kanang like interact like sa lain-laing tao since
Mm.
ako kay before alone man jud kayo ko kanang event kana ganing interview dili na ko kaya mag eye to eye contact, so kana jud
Mm.
ang ako ang kanang pinakalisod na buhaton before. And kana sa kadugayon ako sa work, sales associate jud kanang naka-try na ko maka-istorya sa lahi-lahing klaseng tao, and even kanang nag-gain ko og friends sa work, and kanang nahimong pugo ka ng consistent kay sales associate naman jud kay quota. So kanang makuha nimo imong quota everyday. So ikaw jud dapat ang kanang mo approach first sa customer. So kana grabe ka enjoy ako ang 6 years working as kanang sales associate.
Awesome. So with that, Leno, and by the way, congratulations kay sa una if as what you've mentioned, marag maulaw pa ka, but right now, there are already 11 million watching you sa ato ang live for today's video. And I don't know, you are already giving value. But going back, as what you've mentioned, you have enjoyed your career as a sales associate. And what did, what's the reason why you've shifted from one career to another? Like, what's the advantage have you seen in this space, in the VA industry space?
I remember yun na kani siya pandemic gini na time. And kanang nisulod ko as VA kanang ulaw kabalo kung magunsa ko. So hesitant gid ko at first. So kanang ang isa pod sa ko ang struggle kay basig kanang dili na ko ma-meet ang expectation ba sa kanang para kay gigalgalan lagi ko sa kong kuya si Vincent and si Zev gigalgalan pod ko to become a VA. So kanang mahadlo ko na basig magkamali ko niya ang sisihon sila ana good. And kanang mabaw isa pod sa reason ako is kanang bulo ko yung work pandemic nag-close ang akong store na gitrabahuan asa ko next magunsa ko so kanang nag-take risk jud pod ko na sige mag-go na lang ko ani kay wala may mawala. And isa jud pod sa akong mindset is kanang nakaya bitaw ni Tikoy, nakaya bitaw ni Kuya, siguro kaya pod nako. Ana gud.
Awesome. So murag nahulog ka to, no choice.
Yes.
But actually, a lot of, I think murag, if there is an advantage that pandemic actually gives us, that is it pushes us to think differently. Like kanang I mean before who would have thought that there is actually an opportunity na kanang work from home. Though ako prior to pandemic back in 2016, by the way, to those who are watching, that is the time na I started in this industry. And dili pa man kay ingani ka rampant like murag kumuingon gani ka for example kung sa bangko unsay trabaho nimo murag questionable pa ka ha VA unsa ta pero karon murag ma'am pangitaan ang mga pamaagi na makalon ang mga VA because they know that VA people could really pay for the monthly kung if ever loan man or whatever. But I think the pandemic has really allowed us to to be resourceful when it comes to how are we going to really live life because kato na time daghan jud na Shakira daghang businesses ang na-close. And I think murag that is where this industry also boomed. And I think muna imong route sa day no na naabot ka ani na career. And I love it when you mentioned that murag as a start you were hesitant personally because you don't know the industry. And these are also a lot of like there are also a lot of people that I'm connecting with ask me about this industry and so on. Hesitant sila ba to really push through. So what can you say about these people na napoy self-doubt based on being in the same space before as to where you are at right now?
For me kanang to be ganing to step up kay kita gikan medyo ta sa kanang different work ba before. So you have to try gyud ikanang i-try pag take risk good kung gusto ka og best for yourself kay kita tanan gusto man jud mag-grow and gusto na to dili lang personally dili lang gyud kanang mentally financially of course isa. And kana I think kanang atagi lang gid imong self na mo-try something new.
Wow, ganahan ko ana kana gid bitaw usahay na when things are new, sometimes murag we are hesitant to really like all of us, I think, no, kung na-adjust something new, it's very hard for us to adjust. It's very hard for us to be flexible. Kay we are already comfortable, no, in as what you've mentioned in the previous subject. Imagine that is 6 years, no. So they with that kanang kay uban man good na syempre no coming from like for example how many years with this kind of with this kind of career and then mag-shift sila based on your experience because probably there are some people watching us right now who has the same experience as you do before. So unsa ang mga skill set na imuhang nadala from your previous role as and right now as a VA? Nakamute ka. Tingala ko, abala ko nahinay ako
Kanang
internet.
very common, as a sales associate kay, maki-communicate mo yun gid ka with the customer. So, mao lang na kanang feel nako na kada ganing ma-connect nako sa as VA, sales associate to VA. Na-remember nako na si Sir Sherwin pa ang nagkanang interview sa ako at na time and gi-ask po niya na question sa kuha. And the same ako ang tubag and napod siya kanang murag nadungag ato sa kuha na though kana maki-communicate ka sa client pero dako gyapon difference kay I'm communicating with kanang Bisaya man Tagalog ana. And this time imong i-communicate na kay kanang mga English na ana. And kanang you have to deal good na kana ganing dili na product lang ang ako ang ginabaligya. Dili na mismo makita sa customer nimo ang imuhang baligya. So kana ganing i-convince nimo sila through messages lang ana. Mao nang kanang nakikaingon ko nga dako pa difference no kay abi na ko kanang sige okay ra kinamo ko'y communication skills pwede ra man ni.
Yeah.
So kana hantod karon mao gyapon akong gina-workout kay mao jud na need as sa mga client gid.
Yes. Oh, I totally agree. Now, I think if there's one thing that you really have to work on towards in this industry is really communication. And it doesn't necessarily mean, would you agree, Lay? Kay sometimes magud mo yung hesitation sa uban. Like, dapat perfect English, dapat ang pronunciation, the accent and the grammar, like, kailangan perfect. Pero sa tinuod lang sa kadaghan sa like for the past 3 episodes that I had, mostly gyud sa uban. And would you agree, Lay, right now na kada murag Pinoy lang jud ang hinawayon when it comes to communication. So based on
True.
your experience, Lay, like actually, especially with the client, I think first client nimo at up until now, naagyapon sa imo ha, gabi na palakpakan na siya na kanang for how many years of handling same client duha pa gyud na sila na mag-asawa. So how did you cope up no given the communication barrier na of course English language is not our first language. So how did you cope up with that?
Personally kanang admit man jud ko nga dili jud ko inaanak ka howd mo English pero of course tabangan pa din mo imong self ba na kanang magtuon. So naman dili naman tayo anak ka ignorante. So na naman tayo mga YouTube, na tayo AI na
Yes.
help sa to ana tong skills sa ingon ana nga problema. So kana willing lang ka to learn, willing lang ka na magtuon gyud pod ana para ma-okay. Actually maano ra man gyud matun-an ra gyud siya. Bisan man ka na ganing abi nimo ka ng perfectionist jud ang form ay ang mga foreigner. Dili good ka na wa jud sila pag-alam na wrong grammar ka sa tinuod lang maski ka mga nga ka dili na yung nila mapansin na nga na ka. So
Exactly.
kana
Exactly. Actually, wala gina-ginaingon na Pinoy lang jud ang kanang perfectionist when it comes to English language. But them, they truly understand that this is not our first language. But I love it that you've mentioned na, of course, it doesn't have to be a reason as well for us not to upskill, for us not to grow ourselves. Because whether we like it or not, communicating our clients really is really essential as a VA gyud. Because imagine you will be getting or kanang they would be giving you instructions niya kung di jud ka kasabot murag lisod man pud or ikaw mismo mag-report ka sa ilaha. So kung dili pud jud ka communicate it's so hard as well. And I love it, Lay, when you mentioned that there is already AI. In fact, na ako'y bago nag-download na AI tool ba na mo storya kanang mag-communicate gud siya sa imo, mag-respond siya, and it's a free tool. So let's make it to our advantage to upskill ourselves, to learn more and grow more. And in fact, if ever na mabot na ka sa point that you will become good at it, eventually confidence will come in and it would be easier for you to get clients, no? Kaya, especially sa interview part, na kanang nag-interview man gyud ka and so on. So, I love that. Ayan. So, before ta mag-proceed sa itong next question, Le, ato sang kamustahon ni ato ang mga mga viewers. Grabe, ay kagwapa. Pretty Leia, of course, ang speaker po, ah. Kamo ba? Gina-jamming mi ninyo, ha? Let's go, blooming as speaker.
Magpa-stars
Congrats,
mo para
Le.
mo to.
Agad, hoy, naay pa stars. Ay, grabe, good. Maka-proud as always from God free. Lahi nga gyud ang support. Lahi nga gyud. Lahi nga gyud, like, Goter, hi, Lay, from Laila. Hello, Lai. Ayan, guys, if ever you have any question, it's the best time. Precious kayo ang oras sa to ang guest speaker for today. So, go and grab this opportunity na maka-ask of any authentic question na you could ever have based sa iyang experience or anything related to the industry, no? Kung mangutana mo, kung taken na ba na siya, engaged na na siya, guys. So, ayaw na mo og kuan kay nagtan-aw ba ya? Ayan. So, sige, going back, no, before asa pa ta maabot, Lay, um, how was it working as a VA impacted your personal life? Given na murag taas-taas ang imuhang, taas-taas imong experience in your previous work, like how does becoming a VA differs, no, when it comes to your personal life? Nakamute ata ka, Lay. Kapi-kapi lang po ko lagi na side liha. Baka feel ako atong interview mo. Sige, go ahead.
For me, dako siyang impact ay. Dako kayo ang impact ang pag-start ako as VE kay grabe man jud personally ha. Karon ra mabud ko na siya na grabe jud ko kanang ganing mangandoy. Grabe kay vision jud ba. And kana ganing naabot ko sa point ba na kana ganing sa kadako sa ako ang pangandoy, wala ko kabalo as ko mag-start kay knowing na undergrad ko, nagtrabaho ko sa mall, kanang ang sweldo na ko igo lang para sa bills na ko. Actually kulang pagay siya sa pang sa akong self. And kanang ever since bata ko nag-rent lang mi, kanang no permanent address and isa gyud sa akong pangandoy gid kita gid gining maka-house ko, kanang makanegosyo ko or at least naman lang ko'y kanaganing ipon and kanang grasya jud tanan sa Ginoo ba na nakaipon ko and naka kakugbalay and ang VA ang TP gyud ang kanang vehicle gud sa ako ang kanang mga pangandoy and na secure na ko akong self, nag-invest ko, nag-insurance ko and grabe ko ka grateful gid ba sa kanang opportunity na ginahatag and trust na ginahatag gid sa ko sa TP for giving me kanang different clients gyud. And kanang isip mo is nakita ginako ako ang kanang agi kaya sales associate dili gyud ang makita kong agi. As in kanang nagtrabaho lang ko ni matam balik tulog trabaho ana lang and karon makita na nako na mo na ni akong kahago ba kanang little by little good kay kanang makita nako ana.
Makahilak kailakon ko. Siguro sa akong ambience sa diri sa kinag-iisa lang ko diri labi kay ako ang ambience, no. Pero Lay, thank you so much. That's really touching. Because amazing lang ba that God will really gonna give us opportunities and vehicle to really fulfill the desires in our heart, because I truly believe that whatever desires you do have in your heart, it's God who really planted that. Like, as long as it is actually, for His glory and, wala kay intention na sa laing tao. And ako, of course, for those people who really know me, I'm not just like, into TP, I'm also a abundance coach, and I really wanted to see people in my community or in my circle winning. And every time I hear stories like this ba na kanang nahimo ganing vehicle ang kanina opportunity, of course dili siya vehicle lang gyud siya, guys, ha, dili siya ingon na pag naka sa TP is ay ma-achieve nimo imong goals, because at the end of the day it's all about you. It's all about how you are going to be kanang to to handle your finances. Kay I know gid Leia for sure na maayo gid na siya mugunit og kwarta, and maayo gid siya, like I mean, like dili siya kanang murag ang uban magud mo yung sa VAI kuan ingani-ngani, depende gyud gihapon na siya sa imuha, how you be of like a great kanang si tawag ani kanang kapiyalan ba sa mga blessings ni Lord sa imuha. And I'm just so proud, and I'm just so happy, Lay, na in that small act, I mean in that in like kung imagine na to ba, wala pa man niabot sa point na murag, di ba, ang uban 6 digits and everything, despite na wala pa niabot sa point na murag nagtungtong og 6 digits ang income, but you were able to really purchase a home na murag usay gyud makaka-happy gid ba na kanang ala ka na maadto mi sa inyo ana gani. And wala lang maka-happy, maka-proud that you have really been like a good steward. Yeah, that's the term, a good steward of his blessings, good, because at the end of the day tama jud ka na, it's for his glory. I mean tanan dungog og himaya sa iya gyud siya naghatag sa tong kusog, siya naghatag sa tuang panalangin. And siguro ang nakaano lang yun sad is that it's very important na you are in the right vehicle. Because for example, nga nilang maguna siya, guys. Kaya a lot of people ba, for example, gusto ka na muadto og, let's just say, Japan. Unya, yes, pwede man ka magbangka. But imagine nun, mamatay na lang siguro ka o binangka, di pa jud ka kaabot sa imong destinasyon. Same goes with the career that we do have. I mean, let's face it, reality, there are really career na bisan pag ikaw ang pinakahawod, no, it won't really allow us to give an opportunity to have the financial desires that we need in order for us to achieve our goals. So that is how important it is. Ganahan ko lang nag-highlight ni mong word na vehicle, no? Riding the right vehicle. And if I would to ask you, like, personally, what do you think has made this an opportunity, or the industry in itself na a great vehicle for you to achieve what you have achieved recently? Like, yeah, ano ba? Comparing with the two, not comparing, but if you are to assess no between the two types of career that you had. Kaya na iban siguro
Ay,
curious nga naman jud sila na makaingay. Magkasakyanan ba, magkabalay man.
yes, kanang um, VA, work from home, so kanang wala gud kay expenses. Now, first, wala kay expenses. Dili na ka mahasol. Kung hindi mo mag-eat, nara ka sa balay. So, isa lang tanan. Dili na ka magpamasahe. Kada pa lang nakasave na ka. So, kanang daghan kaayog ka na ganing dili lang ka mo handle mong gud og isa ka client. So, pwede ka mo handle og duha, tulo hantod sa kaya nimo mo handle. Pwede ka mo trabaho. Hantod sa kaya nimo imong task, hantod sa kaya nimo i-handle imong client. Pwede jud ma-double, ma-triple ang imong financial. And kanang gining ka nang magkugi gid ka ba kay naman di mga clients na kana ganing sa sobra nila kalipay sa imong trabaho, sa imong gibuhat, hatagan jud ka nila reward, ana. So kadaghan kaayo ka ng pros ba na kana ganing makaipon jud ka na dili ka kanang di ka maipit jud financially kay kana daghan ka pangorta and more income, more happy.
Ano ba yun na, di ba? Siyempre, nalabaho ba ta? Ano pag nila alipin ng dolyar lagi ka. Mga VA alipin ng dolyar. But, going back, no, ganahan ko kana kay duha ka gi-highlight na points day. Number one is, it is an industry, it is a career wherein it will really give you less of operational expense. Ay, operational expense. Baka mag-negosyo, operational expenses, like day-to-day expenses. Pamasahe pa lang daan, dako na kayo og tipid. Tama? Kanang mga wow, di na makamamalit og mga wow, jud, daghan. Kay, syempre, makasbalay. So, kanang mga wow ni mo, pag suot ni mo, bag-o pa kayo kay, pero maybe, sige, mapailig ko, diba? So, and also eat out. I think that's also one thing. And ako personally my first and last job man gyud is as a VA. Dako gyud kayo sa og kanang like a work from home setup. Dako gyud kayo sa og tipid, guys. Like ang imuha lang gyud ana is internet connection, and pila ka man intawon ang computer, or kung mag-aircon ka, convert nimo sa day-to-day nimo na expenses as work from, work sa gawas, layo ra gid kaayo. And also one more thing is kato na highlight ni Mulay na having a multiple client. Having multiple clients would really gonna allow you to achieve that financial goal. So, nakagid na siya sa imo guys kung unsa kung I mean kung kung pila ka clients ang imong ma-handle. Kami sa TP, we do not kanang wala mi dapat isa lang gid ka client ha or pag nani full-time na client dapat mo lang gid na siya. Like we really give freedom to our team pero isa lang gid ang among hangyon as long as kaya nimo and you deliver still what is expected from you or more than that mas very good, 'di ba? And that has been how Leia has been showing up no with the clients that she has handled in the past. And speaking of that, Lay, like what have you learned working from different clients in various industries? Laylay man jud.
Lagi, oo, kanang grabe, struggle. Kay, kanay, for me, kanang to be resilient lang yun. Kay, best example jud si Eva sa kanang very challenging na campaign para sa kuha. And kanang, knowing Eva na very kutig yun siya na client, and kanang mismo ka misken, kabalo jud mo sa akong struggle, na kanang nangayo kog chance, kanang nihilak na ko kay wala na ko kasabot unsa man gyud need ni Eva sa kuha, niabot og 1 year na ingon ana ang ako ang kaagi sa iya ha.
Mm.
And daghan times na magkamali ko, daghan times na kana ganing wala na jud ko kasabot gyud. Pero kana na-learn na ko na from that gamiton jud nako siya na kanang to be better good. And with the help sa assessment sa kanang kay BD, of course sa inyo misken na kana ganing ma-aware ko of kanang unsa akong mali, unsa akong kulang, and kanang grasya pod na kanang karon good kanang ma-remember na ko tong struggle ba makayon ko na worth it gyud to kay karon hantod karon si Eva naa pa sa kuha.
Yeah.
And kanang naghatay siya referral kanang isa gyud siya sa pinakaganing successful na campaign gyud na nakaingon ko nga kanang hatag gyud ako kung best aning Eva ba dapat gyud na magdugay na siya sa kuha.
I love
Kaya
that. I love that when you mentioned resiliency because some other people think that, our work as a VA is just pindot-pindot lang and hay man kay na sila kay nakakaman na sila sa balay or way mga ligo and then computer lang man na. But actually we're dealing with real people and we're dealing with real businesses. And dili na siya ingon na mga business lang na mga ginagmay nga mga negosyo guys. Like for example, um Leia's campaign right now is a multi real estate, multi-family real estate. So which means they are looking for investors. So real people, real business ang mga gina-deal with guys. And tinuod dyan na siya when you are new to the industry. Almost everyone I think sa ato even I will not exclude myself kanang moabot din sa point na murag hala kanang magkamali ka unya maas gyud di ba imong worth imong self. But siguro if there is one thing that has also leveled up sa ato ano as a company kay nagsugod man kita before na murag as in starting from scratch. But right now with the years of experience, right now we are already 4 years in the industry and daghan na kayo ta og mga na-encounter that has really allowed us to create tools and right structures and SOPs in place that will really gonna support the VAs and our team na how to level up their game and make sure na your clients become a raving fan. Because Ava right now, tama to ingon ni Lian, has been really giving us tons of referrals. Kalang, halos every month na lang, nana siya i-refer, ala, ganin din. Just today, Lay, by the way, na mo on board na client, no? Do project based na siya mag-start, but gusto kayo siya makig-work sa to, ha? Referral gyapon ni Ava. Grabe jud kaayo and kanaan na siya na it was really like Ava has really talked great things about your company. And always good na because of the people like you guys, experts, Kevin, ikaw, si BD Dennis, has really worked so hard in this campaign na mula ginamabot sa point that our clients become our raving fans. And of course, since na naman talaga, this is my way of really thanking you guys for, you know, not giving up on those times na ang mga clients is napay mga doubt sa ato because that's really normal when you know when people get into business sa imuha, especially during the start, wala pa man gid na trust, and i-gain pa gid na nimo ilahang trust, no? Muna kailangan you have to excel, you have to sige alam-alaman na sila mga gusto na bisan pag unrealistic na kay murag hala sige laban lang gihapon, and because you know you didn't give up, eventually right now mula gina they are the ones actually bringing business to us, and thank you for that, thank you so much. So with that, Lay, I wanted to ask, no, do you have any like future goals or plans in your VA career, or are there any specific skills that you're looking to develop or industries you'd like to explore as a VA? So na ba kay murag gusto na target ng mga industry na gusto na nimo mahimong client and so on. So yeah, or kanina lang para mas laro akong question. Are you seeing yourself being in the industry for the next 10 years? Or 5 years lang siguro.
Of course, Miss Ken, kay kana, dili lang man gud ka ng na ako ang ako ang panganday is kanang nag-stop lang sa ingon ani. Of course, gusto ko kana ganing kanang mo level up jud ka ba. So, gusto ko sa next 5 years ba na kana ganing dili lang isa ang kaya nako na kana ganing magstay. So gusto nako kanang as long as unsa akong nahandal magstay siya, and mas fruitful siya na same kay Eva. Kay kana man gyud ang goal as VA na kanang dili ka gusto mag-ilis-ilis og kliyente. Gusto nimo na kana lang kay gusto man nimo na kanang ganing familiar na ka sa iya, and kanang dili na ka gusto na kanang magsige kag adjust. And kana I pray gyud na kana ganing maabot sa ingon ana na point na gyud.
Yeah, and I think ganahan ko na na-mention ni Masalino because that's the reality, by the way, guys, of to those who are watching. I wanted to give you like a realistic um expectation in this industry, no, na um there would really be times, especially na kung ano na, you would really gonna adjust from one client to another. Like na point na wala good siya tinuod jud na maingon ang uban na kanang wala siya stability, especially if you do not know how to play the game. Like if you are not growing, if you are not upskilling, if you are not really passionate in giving value to your clients, believe me, magsige lang gid nagka wala-wala. Like you know, they would find another solution, this and that, but make to the point, make it to a point na you would be irreplaceable. Kana ganing magmahay gid ang kliyente na mawala ka. And kung mawala man sila, mubalik sila. Because I remembered, Lay, tama, tong time na nawala sila, Eva, not because they are not happy with the campaign, but because murag nagka-financial problem sila, 'di ba, during kinanganak, nag-transfer and everything. Pero nibalik gid gihapon sila. So, 'di ba, masakap balik-balikan. Ano ito sa TV, masakap balik-balikan. But yeah, because we've grown, we've given so much value. And I think that's why in TP, we are really invested in growing our team, upskilling them, growing not only on the skill set side. Ang skill set, dali ka kayo na siya, guys. Ma-YouTube nimo, you know, makita ka nimo, ma-research nimo, you can enroll courses and so on. But the heart set and the mindset, that's something that we really, or kanang invested jud kaayo mi, because kani siya na industry is lisod sad siya kung wala kay right support. Tama. So, Lay, I would love to siguro no kay kanang I would love to ask you ba, how did the community, or how did the circle, the profile community supported you in succeeding in the space, like being consistent as the best expert of the year for the past 2 years?
Dako kayog help ang team oy. Namugod ko'y team na kanang ganing akong team is very supportive gyud ba. TP member kay very supportive gyud pag-abot sa kanang mga ingon ana, and isa dito kay kanang ganing with the help gyud sa mga BD na kanang mama madaganan jud ninyo sila every time na need gyud kay nimo kanang dako man gud og tabang na nakay maistoryahan. Kay ako personally pag abot sa campaign, before dali lang kayo ko kanang mo kay Miss Ken. Pero nagkadugay ka ng maula na gud ko kanang mangutana about sa campaign. So ginabuhat ako dili na jud ko mo chat sa GC. Gina-direct na ako siya kay BD. BD patabang ko ani BD kanang with the right support man gyud kay mabuhat jud nimo imong best ba. Ma-push ka na to kanang maningkamot kay especially gihatag mo gud na gihatag na siya na campaign, gihatag na client sa imo kay because na may trust sa amo. So kanang also dili pud mi gusto na kana ganing bad shot mi sa client, dili mi gusto na kanang mabalikan mi unsay kanang problema. So kanang gusto lang nako pursue jud na kanang okay ang tanan, kanang okay ang work, okay ang client, kana.
Okay, I love that. Okay, because some people man God, especially to those people na who wanted to start in this industry ba, murag, di ba, tungod kay rampant na kayo siya, it's very prevalent these days. Like people, ay, di ko ganahan na under agency, uy, kay, nana sila cut, or kanang, di ko ganahan na sa agency, mas gwapo ng direct sa kliyente, kay, kanang mas dako og opportunity and so on. And again, in our team, mas dili gid mo gina-discourage like if our team has kanang clients outside TP, okay ra gid kaayo me because I totally understand na murag we also need like an avenue, but I think it's also a different feels na you are also in the right community because freelancing or kanang kung ikaw lang yun, and I know a lot of people na being in the industry ba na is kanang murag kumbaga frustrated or burned out because they don't have the support system. And I think that's also the beauty that you have like the right community in place because, support system is really needed. Labi na that you work from home, ikaw na lang gani and your laptop in front of you. Tapos wala pa jud kay mga people around you na you can really, you can really run to if ever na mga concerns or if never na kay kalibugan, mapangutan-an nimo. And ganahan ko na na-highlight ni mo na Lena, if things get tough or if there are uncertain things, you ask questions and you have the right community in place. So alrighty. So one last question for tonight, Lay. Um, being kay kita man jud ko sa katong poster nimo sa balay ninyo ba na being the best expert of the year no twice already sa 4 years na to, meaning duha na ikaw gid ang ikaw gid ang nakakuha sa best expert of the year, and there are a lot of like great experts in the team, but you are the best no for those 2 years. For you, what is the Rockstar VA? Like how did you able to get that award?
Shucks, bitaw no kanang unta man ako ang ika-third gyapon. Back to back.
Go, go, go!
Bitaw, for me kay kanang leveling up lang yun and consistency. Kanang in all aspects sa life, whether it's personal or kanang professional ba.
Nice.
Kay when you do that kay ma-meet man jud nimo ang kanang best of you, best of yourself, and kanang best results na gusto nimo. And kanang I believe na kanang if you decide na mo grow ka, makabot jud nimo imong gusto sa life and gusto nimo makabot kana.
Wow, I love that. Ganahan ko because at the end of the day, your kani man gud siya na job is walay magtanaw sa imuha. 'Di ba? Unlike sa 'di ba, like, for 6 years. Syempre kung naa ang boss, ay magwa jud ka kay naa ang boss. But in this kind of career, wa jud kay laing kalaban, imuha lang yung kaugalingon. Wa kay laing kakompetensya, imuha lang yung kaugalingon. Busa no, to those people who are watching right now, again, if you really wanted to succeed in this industry, invest in you. Mo gid na ako maingon, invest in yourself. Muna people ba would gonna ask me kay of course no, I'll be very honest, the very reason why we do this podcast show, webinar, or whatsoever, is we really wanted to promote more people to be part of the community, to enroll in our course. And people would gonna ask me ba, ay naibayad ang course or naiing-ani ingana. So, syempre no, if how would we, kay for example, i-recommend mo na mo sa mga clients, and then if you are the kind of person who's not invested in yourself, how can we be confident no in giving you the client? So I think gibalik-balik nila ya kaganina na giintrasan sa client, so you have to bring so much value to them, because at the end of the day, you know, clients pay us, and we, through that, we are able to feed our family, pay our bills, and at the same time achieve our dreams in life. So with that, it is, I think, murag fair enough for us to really give value. And how we could give value if us ourselves wala tay mahatag, because kulang sad, di ba? Kung dili pud overflowing ang skills, dili overflowing ang wisdom, dili overflowing ang value na imong mahatag, because lacking siya. So, Lay, would you recommend kani kay you're not part of kana, wala naman mo ni agi sa TP Academy, di ba? You are those people na, you are those experts, part of the experts na train na mo for free. And how would you kind of recommend the type of training kung kato sa for free pa lang ganito, but you are where you are right now because of course no one, because of starting na nag-training ta sa una. So would you recommend people watching us right now, this 15 million people watching us live right now, to enroll in our course?
Personally, daghan man jud ang utana sa ko. Na kanang lay giunsa nimo pag-start, lay kanang unsabay ka nang asa ka nag-start, ana. Always jud og ginaingon sa ila na mag-enroll. Mag-enroll sila og kanang mga ingon ani. And kana swerte jud kay ko, isa jud sa tinuod, ako jud isa sa swerte na free sa ingon ani. And sa nakita nako ba na kanang helpful jud na kanang need jud na mag-apil ka sa mga inaanak kay lisod kayo na mag-start man good ka sa industry na kanang ganing wala jud kay nahibalan.
Okay.
And kanang worth it jud kay kung unsa mi karon, unsa ang TP karon, unsa among mga kauban karon sa TP is gikan jud sa ingon ana. And ana, ma-recommend jud nako siya na kanang need jud nimo mag-enroll og mga inani.
Thank you, Lay. And yeah, even if not through us, if you really wanted to succeed in this industry, you really have to enroll in courses. So, pwede man mag-self-learn ka, pwede jud kaayo, but it would really take you a while. So, why go for a longer, why for a longer route when you can do shortcuts? And that's what coaches is about. That is what having the right, the right coach, the right community is very important, because eventually at the end of the day, dili na nimo kailangan agian tong mga mistakes na ilang naagian, because they've already like plotted out what they have learned in the past. And I could really vouch that the way we have created the course is all out na gyud siya, kana kung makaingon kag imo jung dibdibon ang pag-study gyud sa courses namo and everything, confident jud ko at the end of the day makakuha jud ka og client, because it's like almost, though mura siya learning the basics in an advanced way, muna ako ang ginatag sa TP Academy mada perfect kay siya sa mga newly kada wala jud idea what is VAS, because we're really gonna be teaching you the basics, but at the same time advanced skill set na you can really offer to the market. And thank you so much, Lay, for really joining me tonight. It was really like a privilege to really, ako ma-happy kay ko every time gani na mag-interview ko lahi-lahi na team, because wala man kita na like nag one-on-one interview, and I'm just so happy that this was just a vision few years back. Like 4 years ago, sama sa ginaingon ako sa inyo ha, di ba? Always kada mag-party gyud ta. Na sa una, nag-start ko sa TP na nag-create ko og mga training videos without having a team. Kaya nga ang ako ang murag vision yun ba na someday I will really gonna grow this company, and people will really have an opportunity to work, to earn income through this company. And right now, imagine, no, we're already like like yesterday, back-to-back placement to a client, no? Um, and everything just turns out to really be great. And it just started with a vision. So to those people who is watching us right now, guys, if you have a vision or if you really wanted to have a breakthrough in your career, this is the perfect time for you to really start it out. Like sama sa giingon ni Leia kaganina, I just had a leap of faith. Start lang, wa may mawala. No? That 3,000 kapin nga inyong i-invest diri sa academy, Lay, is it feeling nimo worth it ba na siya nga investment sa possibility na ilahang makita if they would gonna graduate in this course? That 3,000 pesos na ano na
Worth it.
investment.
Worth it kay um, dili lang mabalik ang 3K, madoble siya, matriple, ma 3, 6 digits ka, di ba? Why not go na?
Magkabalay ka, ano, di ba, no?
Mabalay lang ka, pwede rin ka di maligo.
Tapos, ano yun, Lay, magkabalay ka. Di ba? Alam, magkabalay ka.
Pero magkabalay pa ka, gusto ka mag-car ka, maka-car ka, charot.
Bitaw, thank you so much again, Leno. And again, everyone, to those of you who is watching, so i-plug na nako, no, ang ato ang The Profile Academy. If you wanted to learn more about this industry, kung nakadungog na ka na kay mga kaila that has really succeeded, it's time for you to succeed in this industry right now. It's time for you na one day ikaw na ako interviewon na about how was it deciding to be in this industry, in this space, because you have decided to enroll. So again, we do tackle different lessons that is really relevant for you to starting this career. And more than that is that you will be part of our elite community. So we're in every month, I will personally gonna be doing group coaching call to all of our, and that's, of course, di po makaingon na, lifetime, but as long as, kanang as long as, um, naaning TPA, we would really gonna give you that kind of value. Plus, tani, I could really guarantee 150% ROI achieved in your first VA client. Bisan pag tong mga part-time, achieved jud kayo ni siya. For those who are asking what time, pwede ba nako siya, like, because before we do it live. No, so munang murag lisod siya because some of those students that we have is na mga, na mga kanang na mga trabaho, but right now we really find a way for us to really be giving you the lessons anytime, anywhere, because it's an online and you will gonna have a lifetime access to this. And that's what I've mentioned a while back. We will be doing group coaching session. So I will be personally doing live Zoom meetings with you guys to check in with you, to coach you. And then we will gonna be having practical exercises and assignments inside the lesson. And of course, lastly is networking opportunities. Networking opportunities not only inside the academy, but after you will graduate, automatically you would be part of our database in our the profile sourcing branch. So in that branch, we place you with a client. But of course, if that's the reason why you will enroll, I would say na it's really up to you kung makakuha og client or dili kung imong i-apply. The only, kani always ako ginabalik-balik, the only way for this course not to work is if you don't execute. So again, I would really love to encourage everybody. So if you want to have flexible work-life balance, diverse range of clients, endless growth opportunities, financial independence, professional and personal development, and a great community, sign up now. Because kaning offer namo will only last for this month. We will increase by next month. And this is how confident we are because we offer money back guarantee. If you happen to review our first lesson and you're not satisfied, we will give you 100% money back guarantee, no question asked. That's how confident we are. You can visit our website to see, more stories of our experts who have worked with us. And here you can also review, some facts and how you can actually enroll. All right. That being said, again, welcome to, hopefully we will see you on class. And again, welcome to the Rockstar VA show. Thank you so much for watching. And Lee, thank you so much for being with me tonight. Thank you so much for giving value. And with that, happy Tuesday, everyone. Choose love, Choose success, choose happiness. Good night. Bye, Lay. Salamat.
Bye! Thank you, bye!
Welcome once again to our Rockstar VH